If you want to add a bit of movement to your Squarespace website, something that you can do is stack elements. So as a user scrolls down the site, you'll have blocks within a section that stack over each other and just create a little bit of visual interest on the site. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you a really quick tutorial on how to stack a few different elements within a section on Squarespace. So on our site here, you can see we have a background image, but we don't actually have any elements within the section. If I go into the editor by clicking up here, I can start to add some blocks. So I'm going to start off with an image block and I'm going to pop that here. We'll stretch it out, and do forgive me for this design because it's not going to be very good, but I'm going to find an image and I'll pop it in here. So let's say, just pop this image in here. And then we'll stretch this one out. So design, and we'll fill this out. What I'll then do is I'll duplicate this and I'll drop this down. I don't know why that image hasn't filled in. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, now I'll drop this down beneath it. I'll make it a bit of a different shape. And then let's put some text underneath. So pop some text here. And we can wedge this in between. So I'll just say text here, and we'll make it nice and large and legible. There we go. Bit of space. Okay, I'd say that's enough. So if I come out of the editor and I scroll, nothing happens. I mean, it looks a bit weird, but there's no visual interest insofar as nothing actually moves. So back into the editor. Now, if I click on this image and I click this pin icon up here, what that's going to do is it's going to pin the block itself when the user scrolls. So when you get to the top of the screen, you can see that stops and we start to stack on top of each other. If we want to go a step further, what we can then do is do the same thing for the text. So that's got a pin on it now. Let's go back out. And you can see that stops, and then this text goes over it here. So you can imagine the sorts of layouts that you can create with this, and you can get a little bit more, I was going to say crazy, it's hardly crazy stuff, but you can get a bit more creative with it. So you can say, okay, I want to pin it down here, or you can create a bit of an offset. So let's just create, let's just say, I don't know, 42, just so you can notice it. Now when we scroll, you can see there's an offset from the top of the screen. So let's go back and let's create an even bigger one. And then we'll try and pin things around the middle of the screen. So let's go into our pin and we'll say 110, see how that looks. And then we'll go in this one and we'll say a little bit less, do 90. So we scroll, it gets fixed, text sits there, and then the other image scrolls underneath the text and the image. And there we go. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.